and we are learning about how to keep track of the traffic that's coming into your website. How is your website doing? Kind of like checking, kind of like a checkup, going for a checkup. It's always good to know where people are coming to your site from. If you're doing any type of advertising or you're spending time on social networks in different places, which places is the best to spend your time and resources on? And the only way to know these questions is to where's your traffic coming from? And as you look at these stats as to where people are coming from, if they're going through the search engines, well, what keywords are they searching on? And are they staying around on that site? If they're not staying around, well, maybe you can do something with that spot they're landing on to make them stick around a little better. Or maybe you can do things to increase it so that you are ranking better for those keywords. There's a lot of different things that you can do and change and tweak to make your website have better traffic coming to it. And a lot of that is by having some information. Just like when I go into my doctor for checkup, he takes some of my blood and he runs various tests on it, which kind of lets him know how I'm doing. And so you can do the same thing with your WordPress site to keep track of, how it's going on. We're going to talk about Google Analytics here, and you do want to have Google Analytics on your site. This is where I recommend for those who are just getting started. There's a lot of different tools and things that people can use that get all types of information and keep track of things on their websites and stuff. And we're not going to get into all of that. There are people that do that, and it's good to contact them if you want any more. But this is to get you started. And if it does what you need to do, then that's great. If you want some more help from someone, then you can go hire an SEO expert. Anyway, on the Google Analytics, it's a website that Google has, which helps you keep track of these stats for you, what's going on. If you go ahead and click on these, you can see a plugin that will help you get analytics set up on your website. And if you want to know about analytics, how to use it, if you click on this link here, they got all kinds of information on their site, things that you can do on it, and that's very helpful. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Here I am on my Google Analytics logged in, and here's my home. We want to check and see how this WordPress site that I've been working on it for a few weeks. As you can see, that's when I started adding some posts and letting a few people know about it. And you can see how the traffic goes up and down from day to day. And so this kind of gives you an overview of your visitors. How many visits to the website during that time? 54 different people, which is not bad considering that I've only told a few people about it and posted it a few places. Most people that have visited, you visit at least 3 pages while they're there, and they stay on at least 10 minutes. And only about half of them leave and go someplace else. The others stay on the site for a bit and go from place to place. And that's pretty good. And we got new visitors, we got returning visitors, and that's really cool too, that the visitors are continuing to come back to the site. And that tells me some good things there. If you click over on traffic sources, it'll tell you where these visitors are coming from. Some of them are going to the search engines and they're searching on keywords, and the keywords are sending them here, which is also pretty cool because I've not really worked with keywords and things much on this site yet to try to target certain keywords that hasn't come there yet. I've just gone ahead and write copy and put good tags in and things like that. And well, it is ranking good for its own name, which is good. And it's also working on these other things like the one of the WordPress plugins I've had a tutorial on is NextGen Scroll Gallery, and it actually, when someone plugs it in, it comes on the first page of Google. Not a lot of people are searching on it evidently, but it did bring someone to my site, which is cool. I can click here and get different kinds of things here. I can go like referrals. This is websites that send people to my. A lot of them come from YouTube, which makes sense. I have YouTube videos. A lot of traffic's coming from YouTube. I got traffic coming from Facebook. I didn't know that. It's good to know. Anyway, I'll be right back.